Hello everybody, Jose Rodriguez here. Just recently someone asked a question and they actually posted a shot of the actual image. What was happening? Well, let me get one of these images up here, these prints. He had one of these types of standard images and he was testing his printer to make sure that the printer is able to reproduce a faithful representation of that standard image. The problem was that as you got down the ramp and you got to the darker tones, they were getting lighter. And all of these dark tones were actually reversed. It almost looked like a 1960s psychedelic solarization type poster. And he's pulling his hairs out and he did not know what to do. He said his nozzle check was perfect. And I said, what printer are you using? He said, the 3880. I said, well, please do another nozzle check. Humor me. Do another nozzle check and count to see how many groupings or channels do you see represented. Yellow, light magenta, magenta, light cyan, cyan, light black, light black, and either photo black or matte black. So that's a total number of 8. Well, some time passed. All sorts of recommendations and hints were passed on to him. He comes back and he says, I could only see 7 channels. And I said, well, can you name them off, please? And he did. And guess which one was not firing at all? The black. And that's why he was getting that weird solarized effect. So what I said to him was, you must either be having a problem with your cartridge or your black switch is not working. And so it didn't really open up and allow ink from the cartridge that you're trying to print from. In this case, it was photo black. It's not allowing any ink at all. So basically where the photo black channel should have been present in the nozzle check, totally blank. Well, that was a mechanical problem and not one that he could solve, but he had no clue what the cause was. So at least now he knows, and he can get the situation taken care of. It's going to cost him some bucks. But once he gets that taken care of, it'll be back to almost new condition again. So that's it. That's what happens. You need to have a gradual ramp from the whitest to the blackest that this paper is actually able to reproduce. And the inks, of course, as well. If you have a situation where about midway down it starts getting lighter instead of darker, that means your black is not firing. Why? The other grays are actually being used in this section here, not the photo black, not the matte black. Okay. Often you also are using a composite of the other colors to create a neutral tone. When you get to the blackest areas, the hairs, all of these little areas in the eyes, the little baby's hair, all of these dark areas, that's the only time when either matte black or photo black comes into play. So right around this range here, photo black or matte black comes into play, and if it's not being provided, it's going to get lighter, because light gray and light black and light gray can only produce so much, dark tones. It fails once it gets down here, and you will have that increase of brightness instead of darkness. It's a really rare problem, but it does crop up every once in a while. This is the only one I've seen in the last couple of years where somebody was having that problem. It occurred a long time ago also to someone else, and I recognized it immediately. And fortunately, he was able to fix it by doing a nozzle cleaning. And so that was the end of that problem, and he was very happy. He went on his way, thanked me, and I said, you're welcome. All right, that is it. We're going to do another video in a little while. This is an interesting subject. You're going to like this. All right, so thank everybody. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, and click that little bell, please. All right, happy printing, everyone. Bye-bye.